Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, I am going to be doing another lipstick swatching video. Today I'm going to be swatching two liquid lipsticks from Colourpop and their collaboration with Iluvsarahii. If you guys don't know who she is a makeup artist on YouTube, and she also has a pretty big platform on Instagram. You can buy the lipsticks in a bundle. They do come in a bundle of 3 for $16. However, one of the shades I didn't really like them too much, so I just got the two individually. Individually, the lipsticks do retail for $6.50. So as always with my lipstick swatching videos, I'm going to come to you guys and swatch the lips on clean exfoliated lips, and then I'll come to you guys at the very end with all of my thoughts, comments, and concerns about the lipsticks. So getting into packaging, you guys can see that it's like I guess crocodile print, alligator print, I'm not sure what the correct term is, but it says Iluvsarahii Colourpop, and then it says liquid lipstick Colourpop, and then of course it has Colourpop's website. On the bottom, of course, you can expect the name of the lipstick, and then it does state that this is cruelty free and it has other specifics in terms of weight of the lipstick. When taken out of the packaging, both lipsticks have this gold wand tubing, and then on the actual body of the lipstick it just says Iluvsarahii times Colourpop, and then it says this is an ultra matte lip. Both of them are ultra matte lipsticks, and again on the bottom it has the names of the lipsticks, and they do provide you with a doe foot applicator.
I'm relying on your love, and can you let me some, so that if I'm left with nothing at the bottom, you can be the one to come and help me up. You're the one that got responding to the calling. When my heart is heavy, you are sure you to hold tight. Hard to belly all the good in the cold times, so keep me warm before the freeze of the night grows. Body heat to more degrees if we like close. I know you know I got needs and you solve them. Through it all, you'll be there pulling for me, yeah. And when I'm caught up all deep in my problems, you of all people care someone I'll need if I'm.
So you guys, those are both of the swatches. Just to go ahead and get into my notes. For both of them, they're going to stay put. Something that I noticed with the Reba was that it was not settling into the wrinkles on my lips. It looked absolutely flawless. I loved that. Like, I was talking, I was smiling, doing all of the things, and it was staying put. So I really like that. With Mamacita, that's the one that I'm wearing right now, it is settling into the natural wrinkles of my lips, but that's fine. I would just make sure that your lips are well moisturized. So use some Aquaphor, Vaseline, whatever it is that you use. Make sure you use that. Make sure your lips are well moisturized. There's no dead skin accumulation. Exfoliate your lips before, and they're gonna look really, really good. As always, these lipsticks are both transfer proof, so they are date night approved if you are going on a date night. I will say that if you are going out, just make sure you take it. If you do need to touch it up, you can, but for the most part, this is gonna stay put for the evening. Unless you're eating some food and of course there's grease in the food, then it's gonna come off. These are very, very pigmented. They are true to the color that is in the tube. They look exactly the same, so there are no surprises. It doesn't change colors. It is as true as it gets. It feels good on the lips. I have good range of motion. I don't feel it crumbling or anything. Although I said it is settling into the wrinkles, it's not coming off and flaking off. A small amount does go a very, very long way, which is good because this is gonna last you a long time, so you're definitely gonna get more than your money's worth. You just wanna be careful when you're applying it because you don't wanna put on too much and then have it bleeding into your teeth, onto your tongue, all of that. It dries very quickly, which is awesome because I'm impatient, so I literally put it on, sat there for a couple seconds to a minute, and it was dry. And that's really awesome because you don't have to wait and be fanning your lips. It just does its thing. In terms of taking it off, I did, as always, use my e.l.f. Cleansing cloths. And you just have to apply a little bit of pressure when taking it off, just a little bit to get it off. I would recommend using something oil-based. You can use Vaseline or Aquaphor to get it off, but these, I believe they have vitamin E oil in them, but you know, you just have to a little bit, just scrub a little bit to get it off, and that's it. But it's not like you're having to put some elbow grease into it and take it off, but it's pretty set. It's set in place there. So overall, I really do like these. I would definitely recommend going and getting them. I think that the red is beautiful for all times of year, whether it's winter, summer, whatever you want to do. And then Mamacita, definitely I would love it for fall. It is a beautiful vampy lip. I love it. I could see myself wearing it in the summertime too, but these are like my go-to shades, so I think that they're done beautifully, and I see myself wearing these probably all of the time now. Also, I just wanted to show you guys, I just took off Mamacita from my lips, and my lips are staining, so that's just something to keep in mind. But it is a very rich color, and it is it's very beautiful, very pigmented color. So I'm not upset about it. Just wanted you guys to know that it does stain your lips. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them all below and I'll get back to you guys at my earliest convenience. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys later. Bye.
I just wanna love you, just to make you smile, that's the motive. Just to make